Welcome to the Systematic Review Data Repository, or SRDR system. In this demo, we will review how to add studies to a project in SRDR. After logging into SRDR, you will be directed to the My SRDR page. To add a new study to a project that you initiated in SRDR, click the Add a Study icon located below the project. Please note that a study must always be associated with a project that has been deposited into the repository. You will then be directed to a page where you will choose whether to add new studies individually or by using multiple PubMed IDs. Next, you will assign a key question to the study or studies. You can choose multiple key questions for each study. Finally, save your work and continue to the extraction form. This first page is a confirmation of your key questions. If there are no edits, simply click Next. You will then be directed to the Publication tab. By entering the PubMed ID into the appropriate text box, SRDR can retrieve all the publication information for the study. Otherwise, you can enter this information manually. If necessary, include any additional identifiers in the boxes provided and click Save. Lastly, you can add secondary publications to the same manner using the buttons in the lower left-hand corner. Now you're ready to begin entering the data to your extraction form by moving through the tabs from Study Design to Study Quality. You can navigate either by clicking on the appropriate tab or by using Previous and Next icons at the bottom of the page. Here we will show you an extraction in progress. In the Study Design tab, answer the extraction form questions as you would for any electronically created form and click Save. In order to move forward in the extraction form, you must assign study arms. By selecting Add Arm, you can choose from the pre-specified arms or add your own using the Other option. In the Baseline tab, you will answer the questions as you did for the Study Design section. Please note that the data are displayed by arm and by total. To enter results data to the extraction form, you must first assign outcomes in a similar manner to study arms. Click the Add a New Outcome button on the bottom left-hand corner. Select an outcome for the pre-specified list or add your own using the Other option. Specify the type of outcome and the appropriate time point, and finish by specifying any subgroups as needed. If no subgroups are provided, the results will be by default for all participants. Save your entries and your outcome will now appear in the table. Now you are ready to enter the results. Step 1 will be to select the outcome from the drop-down list. Step 2 will be to select the population from the drop-down list for subgroups or for all participants. You will then be presented with an editable table. The results table contains 3 parts that allow you to record raw data between arm comparisons and within arm comparisons. The measures in each part can be edited. To edit measures within this table, click the link at the bottom. Select only those measures of interest. If your desired measure is not in the list provided, you can add a user-defined measure by clicking the button at the bottom of the list. You can also choose to edit measures for a single time point or all time points for the outcome. Finally, save your measurement edits. Begin entering your data into the table. Once you are satisfied, click Save Table Data. After saving the data, you can highlight cells where data was calculated or assign a footnote by double-clicking within the appropriate cell. In the Adverse Event tab, click Add New Row to display the table. Select a pre-specified adverse event from the drop-down list or create your own by clicking Other. Enter data into the table. Once you are satisfied, click Save Table Data. In the final tab for Study Quality, answer the pre-specified questions by entering any appropriate notes in the text box provided. Save Table Data. Lastly, enter the quality guideline used, select an overall rating, and provide any notes. Save the quality rating. You have now entered the study into your project. To view the data you have just entered, go to View Summary under the Project Tools on the left navigator. Click the link to your study in the Associated Studies table and a summary view will appear on the screen. In this video, you learned how to enter study data to an extraction form template. Please check our other videos to learn how to create an extraction form, use the question builder, and other project tools. Thanks for using SRDR.